What's up, everyone? Today we're doing real sounds versus beatbox sounds. All right, that was a bunch of sounds. So that's the end of this video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, share. Let me know what your favorite beatbox sound was, or real sound. It's not as good as the beatbox sounds though. I'm better. I'm really happy I got to do this because sound effects are my favorite part about beatboxing. Let me know if there's any other beatbox sounds you want me to do in the future. Ooh, and be sure to subscribe. Also, huge shout outs to B&H for sponsoring this video. They're an audio, film, and photo store located in New York City. If you want any gear, go check them out. Seriously, if you want to be a YouTuber, if you want to do any sort of production, they're the plug. Anyways, I hope y'all have a great day. Go kill it out there. Be your best self, and I'll catch you next time.